Debbie and I visited the Gulf Coast and Central Florida Railroad Museum on February 22nd, 2025, in Bushnell, Florida. The first thing that Craig Hurst showed us was his new building that has many new layouts that were just acquired less than 2 weeks ago. It's referred to as Terminal C. It's not quite ready for public display yet. Since it's so brand new, they're still getting the bugs out of it, and they're still making minor adjustments and wiring improvements to it. So we were allowed to go in there along with the other guests for the open house. We're going to take you on a visit to this building for a sneak peek at what is to come when they finally open it up to the public. Here is an overall view of what you see as you walk in the door. I can't wait to see this again whenever they have it ready for public viewing. Now let's take a look at each one of the layouts individually. I want to give a shout out to Train Installations LLC. They helped Craig do the installations of these layouts. It's a company from Atlanta, Georgia. This is an HO scale layout. It came from D-Land. They just received Sullivan Railway. Custom built by Train Installations. And Craig was saying they came in here. It's a company from Atlanta. They came in here and set the thing up for him. This one and another one that I'm going to show you. And this is just a sneak peek right now. It's not officially open. They just received these.
Yeah, because there's so much going on. Yeah.
So that works. Then we got a plan.
We're on the same page.
Nice trestle over here. This is the N scale layout that came out of upstate New York. Eustis. I think he said the gentleman's name was Gibson. And it's been sitting in a trailer for years. And they just brought it here about a week ago. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6 lines coming up at different levels. They're still here tweaking it, cleaning the tracks, setting everything up. Let's go over on the other side. So it's got a loop on both sides and U-shaped.
It's right here.
Looks like it comes in 8 different sections. Okay, Chuck Gardner. There it is. And this is a G scale that came out of Atlanta's Children's Hospital. It was donated. They needed to make some room for some offices. And we have some buttons here for animation. 4 of them, of course, for the Children's Hospital. Let's see what they got. Okay, that's a crossing gate. This one here, not sure what that is. Doesn't work. I guess they still have some work to do on it because it just got here. Okay. But there it is. Take a look back there. All right. There's Debbie with her VIP badge.
Yes. See?
All right.
I'm special.
Very important person. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is Wildwood. This came from the villages.
Look how tiny the cows are.
Oh yeah, look at them cows. And we filmed this many times when we was at the train shows at the villages. This is a representation of the villages, or the Wildwood near the villages in 1950s. No longer looks like this, but it's cut down a little bit. All right. There's an icing station. And then the other loop. So we come down here. He's going to have storage over here. But here's the new building that's not officially open yet. This next clip is about a layout that will be at Gulf Coast and Central Florida Railroad Museum in the future once a new building is built for it. It's called Fowler's Dream Layout. It has 55 steel modules that take up 55 by 85 feet. That's the entire layout. Here's a photo of me and Craig Hurst in front of the track plan and some of the rolling stock in boxes, and a few pictures of the layout. Here's a view of the track plan without us standing in front of it, and I'll have another better picture of it at the end of this clip. And also here is the designation Terminal D for the building once it's built. This is the track plan of Fowler's Dream Layout, which is going to be here at Bushnell probably in about 2 years. This has been in Tarpon Springs in a building built in sections. You can see his website, Fowler's Dream Layout. And here's some pictures that Craig Hurst took when he was visiting it a few months ago. Here's some of the equipment that goes on it. Some more pictures. And this is all being donated to Gulf Coast and Central Florida Railroad Museum. And he says he has 175 of these crates of rolling stock coming. So let's get a big view of it right here. Here is a graphic of the track plan from FowlerDreamLayout.com, where you can see many pictures and the gallery of their progress throughout the years. Hours of operation are between 10 and 4 every Saturday. It's located in Bushnell, Florida, just south of Ocala and north of Tampa, right off of I-75. If you get a chance, go take a look at this place. You will not regret it. There's a lot more stuff than just what I showed you here. I've done many videos of it in the past year, and I got a couple more videos coming out from this visit here. So until the next time, we'll see ya, and have fun with whatever you're doing.